weather with your First Coast News storm experts.
Yeah, bones, they never get old, so to speak. All right, but old man winter could get old pretty quickly if he doesn't get out of here pretty soon. Pretty chilly out there.
And we had some football games today, right? Of course.
That's right, you have a picture of Buffalo, New York.
I can't believe this. I mean, I know this happens in Buffalo often, but just to see the players out there.
What I wonder, if you're an official, how can you really tell where the end zone is, right? Or out of bounds? That's
very
tough.
true. Maybe that's an advantage. But I know Buffalo did take home the win today in their hometown, so that is good. You like that. You can use that hashtag every now and then during winter. Snow MG, get it? A lot of people use that. It's pretty fun. So yes, a whole lot of snow, and actually the National Weather Service in Buffalo issuing those lake snow advisories right now. Lake effect snow little advisories and statements because it's still falling 1 to 2 inches per hour. No, none of the white stuff here, but it is fun to talk about it since it is winter. And hey, although we're not going to see any snow here or any precipitation for that matter, we are going to be downright cold, at least for this time of year. So the inland freeze Monday morning, we're talking about temperatures that are going to be just at freezing or just below for most of the area. Now St. John's and Flagler counties and Jacks Beach and up to Fernandina Beach, you're going to be in the mid-30s, so still very cold for the coast. However, some rural areas inland along that I-75 corridor could sneak into the mid-20s as far as that air temperature goes. So you may notice this big area that is missing on the freeze warning map. That's because they have a hard freeze warning tonight. So of course those temperatures are going to be colder than what the folks in most areas will see, but for the Suwannee River Valley, that's who we're talking about here for that hard freeze warning. And this is usually an end to the growing season around this time of year. We've got clear skies across the area, and the wind speeds, they're beginning to die down, so that actually doesn't add to the wind chill, so it maybe feels a bit more comfortable despite the very cold air right now sitting at about 45 in Jacksonville. This wind is going to be a big factor to see if we see any frost develop tonight as well. So yesterday showed you this temperature versus wind chill map, and we did see that we had quite a bit of wind chills across the area, but right now you can see temperatures and wind chills are pretty much the same in all locations. So tonight, 31 degrees in Jacksonville. We are going to have a frosty start most likely with those calmer winds and those clear skies. Sunrise is about 7:13 in the morning. Wind chills are going to be near that air temperature again because of the lighter breeze. Now, as far as the frost potential goes, one thing you have to look at is how much moisture is in the air as well, and especially along the ground here. So the dew points sitting in the 30s, even in the 20s, so we'll have to continue to watch this as dry air continues to move into the area. Here's that wind speed forecast hour by hour. Look at this into tonight, and especially for inland folks where we've got that hard freeze warning. Lake City, Gainesville, we could have that patchy frost, but still it wouldn't be out of the question if we're waking up in Duval County to some frost as well. Now the wind switches to come out of the southwest by tomorrow afternoon, meaning a switch up in the weather pattern once again, but really not all that much of a change. Just another cold front sweeping in and really reinforcing that cold air as we head into our Wednesday morning. So look at this 7-day forecast. We've got temperatures tomorrow that are going to start off near freezing, 60 degrees in the afternoon, a whole lot of sunshine all week long, relatively low rain chances, near zero for the most part, at least through Thursday. But then a front that comes in Friday, GFS and European models still kind of disagreeing on which is going to happen, a wet or a dry solution. So we'll keep you posted on that. But for now, a very cold night is ahead. We'll talk about the Jags coming up after the break.